Munnar is indeed one of the famous hill stations of Kerala, and right across the private tea gardens situated a stunning resort. Welcome to Dreamcatcher Plantation Resort, a hidden gem in the heart of Munnar, Kerala, surrounded by 20 acres of tea, cardamom, and orange plantation. This eco-friendly resort offers a perfect blend of luxury and nature. So join me as we take a complete tour of this stunning property and explore its top-notch amenities. So let's talk about resort's entrance and reception. A beautiful design entrance with traditional Kerala architecture. As soon as you step in, you are welcomed with traditional Kerala hospitality. The reception area is warm, inviting, with wooden interiors and earthy tones that reflects the essence of nature. They have a variety of accommodation options including tree houses, cottages, and luxury rooms. These beautiful tree houses are perched at a height of 60 feet, giving you a bird's eye view of the sprawling plantations. Each tree houses are well equipped with modern amenities and features. Apart from the tree houses, the other category of rooms are also very elegant, spacious, with wooden decor, large windows, and breathtaking view from the balconies. If you prefer staying close to the ground, the luxury rooms and cottages are a perfect choice. The interiors are tastefully designed, featuring rustic wooden furniture, cozy lighting, and all the modern comforts you'd expect in a premium resort. The resort offers a variety of amenities to make your stay as relaxing and adventurous as possible. Take a refreshing dip in the infinity pool while enjoying the stunning backdrop of the hills, or indulge in a rejuvenating Ayurvedic spa therapy. For the adventure seekers, there is plenty to do. You can go trekking, explore the lush plantation trails, or enjoy a cozy evening by the bonfire under a starlight sky. The resort's in-house restaurant, an array of Kerala's traditional dishes being served. No stay is complete without a great culinary experience. The in-house restaurant serves an exquisite mix of traditional Kerala cuisine along with continental and Indian delicacies. Freshly sourced ingredient and aromatic spices make every meal a delight. And also, you're gonna enjoy this lovely view while having your breakfast, lunch, and dinner in this particular resort. The staff at Dreamcatcher Plantation Resort go the extra mile to make your stay comfortable. Their warm hospitality and attention to detail truly enhance the experience. The most important part is the surrounding and natural habitat around. Butterflies, exotic birds, mist covered hills, and whatnot. One of the best parts of staying here is being surrounded by nature. The resort is home to exotic birds, vibrant butterflies, and a serene atmosphere that rejuvenates your soul. If you're a traveler, solo traveler, or a couple who likes to enjoy the sunset over the plantations and a cup of tea on the balcony, then this is going to be the best option whenever you're coming to Munnar, Kerala. If you're looking for a peaceful retreat amidst nature with a touch of luxury, Dreamcatcher Plantation Resort in Munnar is the perfect destination. Whether it's a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo trip to reconnect with nature, this place has something special for everyone. They do have the traditional Kerala style massage center, which can open all your nerves and soul at the same time. Also, if you are a adventure enthusiast, they do also provide a Polaris ride across the property. So, chalo, yeah! Woo! Just check this out, guys. क्या weather है? Amazing! Woo! Okay. Oh my God! कितना ऊंचा! भाई अपना ये बंदा अरविंद तो काफी हैवी ड्राइवर निकल गया यार। You okay, no?
Yeah, yeah. Just asking that there is no snakes. This side also.
अमेजिंग, क्या व्यू है, बहुत ही अमेजिंग व्यू। हाँ ये पूरा ओके फाइन। ये दोनों तरफ इलायची के पेड़ दिख रहे होंगे आपको, ये दोनों तरफ इलायची का पेड़ है। एंड हमें भी अपना सर झुका के चलना पड़ रहा है। अमेजिंग। Okay, horse riding. So if you want to watch the complete tour and review of this property, this stunning property, the link is being flashed above. You can go watch with your family, friends and everyone. And also if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, have no fear when Gappu is here. Bye bye.